Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the surface so the spray bonds and looks even. First, remove dust and loose grit with a vacuum and a microfiber cloth. This prevents streaks. Next, test the product on a small hidden patch to check for discoloration. Once satisfied, shake the bottle about 15 to 30 seconds and hold it 6 to 8 inches from the dashboard. Spray in short bursts while moving across the panel to avoid pooling and ensure consistent coverage. You now focus on consistent coverage by working in manageable sections. Divide the dash into 12 to 18-inch zones and do one zone at a time so product doesn't dry unevenly. Spray short bursts, then immediately spread with a circular motion using a fresh microfiber, dry or slightly damp depending on the spray instructions, so it absorbs without streaks. Make sure to avoid vents and seam gaps. Once done, remove excess along edges with a folded cloth. This deliberate pacing prevents buildup. Finish by buffing the dashboard lightly after the recommended 2 to 5 minutes to set the sheen. Buff more for matte, less for glossy. You should allow 24 hours before heavy contact so the product cures properly, and plan reapplication every 3 to 6 months depending on sun exposure. If you get an uneven or overly shiny patch, don't panic. Use 70% isopropyl on a clean microfiber to remove residue, then reapply a lighter mist. This quick fix restores an even, factory look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.